Right, I come across this thing on eBay about gold bars and gold coins. You can buy genuine stuff, but you can buy fake gold, which is counterfeit, or well, it's criminal, it's illegal because it pretends to be real. So I just wanted to try it, to test it, to see how it works, actually to have it in my hands, because they don't really say what size is anything like that. They do say it's 1 ounce, but they didn't say what size. So being eBay, it's fairly safe to buy stuff on eBay because you will get money back if it's something wrong. So I thought I'll just buy it. Now this is supposed to be a Credit Suisse 1 ounce fine gold. It's got serial number there as well. The back is stamped as on a real bar. Now usually when you buy these genuine, I mean it looks genuine, but it's not. I'll explain why. When you buy genuine, you got the serial number, you should have a say card with it that has matching serial number. It's like a registration card that says date of manufacturing, who made it, so basically who made it, when, serial number, all basically proved. Now the easiest way to test gold is, especially bars and coins, is by weight and volume. So it's saying 1 ounce, and 1 ounce is okay, this is now on ounces, so it's showing just over 1 ounce here, but this is not probably troy ounce. So if I go to grams, it should be 31 grams. It is 31 grams. 1 ounce is actually 31.1 grams. So 31 grams is basically 1 ounce. If you have some discrepancies depending on the scales you use, this is kitchen scale. It's very fine kitchen scale, but it's still kitchen scale. It's not jeweler's scale. So it can vary. Maybe discrepancy is 0.1 gram or something, which is not a bad thing. So as long as it's showing around 31 grams, it's fine. Now we're coming to size. So we got size, and let's get calculator. So I'll put light on. Better light. Right, now size is 28.16. so I'll try to I'll round it down to actually increase, that will basically increase the density of it. So 28.16, if I say 28 millimeters, that is 2.8 centimeters times 50.14, so it's 5 centimeters, times, let's go back to 0, 299, 0.299 equals 4.186 centimeters cube. So this has volume of 4.186 centimeters cube. So if we take our 31 grams and divide by that number, so 31 divide by 4.186, we have density of 7.405 and so on grams per centimeter cube. So I'll just write that down. Just bear with me a second just to grab a piece of paper. So we have 7.405 grams per centimeter cube. And that is your clear answer that this is a fake gold. Because the real gold should have density of 19.32 grams per centimeter cube. So this is 2.5 times larger in volume than the real gold bar of this same weight. Because density is all about the weight and volume. And that's, they can make fake bar that looks like gold. You got many different metals that or alloys that will make it look like a gold, that will not be magnetic. Say like a brass, for example, is non-magnetic, and when it's polished up it does look like a gold. Yeah, but brass is much lighter than gold. There's only gold has this density. So this is the real gold and this is the fake gold. That's one of the easiest ways to calculate, to check is your gold bar actually genuine or not. Now that's for this bar. So that's going to go back so I can get my money back. And obviously it's going to be reported to Mr. eBay. Now, I also bought something else, again, just for a test. And that is this 2021 South African Krugerrand. Again, it says 1 ounce fine gold. Came in this plastic casing, nice padded box with certificate about some bank notes with a report number animation. It doesn't even have a proper number on it, so it doesn't have assay card or anything like that. Anyway, so same thing, we got this coin. Let's measure it. 24 grams. Supposed to be 31 grams or 1 ounce. It's got 24 grams. So if I change this to ounces, let's zero it. 0.85 ounces. So that is a first sign that is fake, because on the coin it says it's 1 ounce and it's actually 0.85. It's got a fair bit missing. Now, why they made it lighter? It's probably because it's already a fair bit larger than a genuine gold coin. So if they were to make it 1 ounce, it will have to be even bigger. So for someone very inexperienced would straight away say, oh yeah, that is the real coin. But someone with any kind of experience will just say, no, that's too big. That's too big for gold. It's actually too big even for silver, which is lighter than gold. Anyway, let's check the size. Again, simple size test to find the density. 39.83 millimeters. 3983. So if we move the decimal point, that's 3.983 centimeters. That's diameter. So radius will be half of that, which is we can round it to 199 centimeters radius, which is, as we know, half of the diameter. And then thickness 274 millimeters. So that's 0.274 centimeters thick. So simple calculation for the volume, radius squared pi, and then times thickness. So that will be 199 squared times 3.14 times 0.274. Right, can we see that? Yeah, we can see it. So that is 199 times 199 times 3.14 times 0.274 equals 3407. So volume is 3.407 centimeters cube. Now we take our 24 grams that we measured initially, 24 grams, divide by 3.407, and we got 7.044 grams per centimeters cube. That's the density of this coin. Real gold should have 19.32 grams per centimeters cube. As you can see, the density is about 2.5 times less than on real gold. So basically, gold of this size, volume, should weigh 2.5 times more than this coin, this alloy. So it's very light for the size for the gold. So that is fake. So stay safe, guys. Don't waste your money in buying these and then collecting them somewhere up in a loft or God knows where, thinking that you're buying a good investment for later on in life or whatever, or to give as a gift to someone that you love, because all you're giving them is fake hope. That's not real. Unless you're going to just obviously make a video like I did now to prove something, but that's a safe point, because this is going back to on return. I've raised a alarm with eBay. This is fake, counterfeit, it doesn't work, so that's going back. Now again, if we look at this gold bar, 1 ounce, and this again 1 ounce coin, the real value at the moment, it should be about 1,700 British pounds each. Let me just check now on internet. We are 9th of March 2024, one day before Mother's Day. So if I go just price of gold per ounce, right, this is just a live gold spot price. Let me just grab this camera, and as you can see there, live price per ounce $2,179 or 1,694.83 pounds. Okay, Now that is the medium price of gold. Like anything else, you got buying price, selling price, and then you got also aesthetic price as well. If you got some, say, coin that is rare, then you get extra value based on rarity of the coin or however, but just gold per weight, that's the price, should be 1,700. So if you, for example, get something like this, real gold, for 1,500, that is a bargain. Okay, so if someone's selling these for 100 quid or 50 quid or even 20 quid, that is fake. Same with this. If you go to bullion by post or Royal Mint or anywhere like that, Krugerrand 1 ounce should be way over £1,700. Let me just double check it. So if I go Royal Mint, 1 ounce gold Krugerrand price, buy gold coins and bullions, right, cookies, Britannia, where does it say? Not doing that one, maybe just check different website. Bullion by post, 1 ounce gold Krugerrand. Right, that is, let's check it. Right, there are the prices: 1,748, 772, 1,861, 1,952. They're basically prices of Krugerrand. Depends on their rarity and the year. You can see 2017, 19, 23, 24, 20. So depends on the rarity and everything. They do vary a bit, but none of them is less than 1,700 quid. Okay, you can't get it less than 1,700 quid today. A year ago, yes, but not today. So there you go, guys. Don't buy these as a present to your loved ones, because it's not valued. It has no value. Stay safe. I hope this is going to help someone. Easy way to determine. So if you got, again, round coin, measure diameter, divide it by half to get radius, measure thickness, all in centimeters, and then go for volume, radius squared plus times pi times diameter, get your centimeters cube volume of the coin, put it on a scale to get grams, the weight of it in grams, then take the grams value, weight value, divide by total volume, and you'll get density. And density for real gold should be 19.32 grams per centimeters cube. So if it's anything different than that, if it's very close, you say up to 5% different, then it's probably gold. I would take it then to jewelry shop, to jewelers, and have them check with different equipment. But just a base check, that's the way how to check it. Nice and easy at home. Same with these little bars, they're easy to measure. Length, width, thickness, all in centimeters. To get the volume, put it on a scale, get a weight in grams, then go grams divided by volume, and you'll get density. Simple.